Hello, this is your test read aloud for cycles and photosynthesis quiz for this year. Number one, where do animals get nitrogen from? A, soil, B, air, C, water, D, plants. Number two, what is evaporation? A liquid change to a gas, B, water vapor, C, animals breathing out condensation, or D, precipitation. Number three, the step in the water cycle in which water vapor becomes liquid water is known as blank. This is also known as cloud formation or how clouds form. That is known as A, condensation, B, nitrogen fixation, C, recycling, D, precipitation. Number four, in which process do plants, take in carbon dioxide to produce sugar molecules and release oxygen for consumers? Is it A, the nitrogen cycle, B, precipitation, C, photosynthesis, D, the water cycle? Number five, some bacteria that fix nitrogen live in the bumps on the roots of certain plants. These bumps are called blank. I have referred to them in the past as little wart growths. So are they known as A, nodules, B, starches, C, legumes, aka beans, or D, droplets? Number six, what part of the water cycle is represented best by the picture below? Is it A, condensation, B, precipitation, C, evaporation, D, transpiration? Number seven, which of the below statements is true about the carbon and oxygen cycles? Is it A, producers take in oxygen during photosynthesis? B, producers release carbon dioxide as a result of photosynthesis? C, consumers release carbon monoxide as a waste product? Or D, consumers take in oxygen during respiration? Number eight, the four main processes of the water cycle are A, evaporation, transpiration, condensation, vaporization. B, precipitation, condensation, transpiration, and evaporation. C, transpiration, evaporation, precipitation, and vaporization. D, condensation, vaporization, precipitation, circulation. Number nine, which of the below statements is true about matter in the form of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon in the ecosystems? Is it A, the supply of matter in an ecosystem is unlimited? Is it B, matter is recycled in the ecosystem? C, energy is not recycled in an ecosystem? Number 10, as more water vapor condenses, the drops of water in a cloud grow larger. Eventually, the heavy drops fall back to Earth as precipitation. The four types of precipitation are A, snow, sleet, rain, and groundwater. B, snow, rain, sleet, and hail. C, condensation, snow, hail, and ice. Or D, snow, rain, evaporation, and groundwater. Number 11, photosynthesis occurs in what part of the plant? Is it A, the chloroplast, B, the nucleus, C, the cell membrane, or D, the ribosomes? Number 12, this is what starts the process of photosynthesis. Is it A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, solar energy, aka sunlight, or D, magic? Number 13, you have to look at this graph. There's two different graphs. Okay, you have graph A, which is recording the increasing light intensity, and then the temperature, which is graph B. And both are comparing the increasing rates of photosynthesis. So over time, with the increasing light intensity, it will hit a plateau. Whereas with temperature, the warmer it gets, the better it will get. But then once it reaches 25 degrees Celsius, then it will start to go down. Okay, which basically means the hotter it is, less likely photosynthesis will happen. So let's look at these answer choices. Taken together, these graphs demonstrate that photosynthesis is independent of environmental influences. B, increases in light intensity causes increase in temperature. C, as the rate of photosynthesis increases, the temperature of a plant eventually decreases. And D, the rate of photosynthesis is affected by changes in the plant's environment. Number 14, oxygen and water in the presence of sunlight will react to form glucose and carbon dioxide gas. Is that true or false? You need to know your photosynthesis equation. Number 15, nitrogen is the most abundant element in the atmosphere and it is not usable to humans. True or false? 16, based on the cycle of photosynthesis and cellular respiration, one can say that the ultimate source of energy for all living things on Earth is A, glucose, B, water, C, the sun, D, carbon dioxide. 17. As a result of photosynthesis, A, our atmosphere is now rich in oxygen gas. B, animals can get energy directly from the sun. C, plants convert chlorophyll into water. D, abundant quantities of carbon dioxide are produced. 18. An example of a photosynthetic organisms include A, people, B, trees, C, brightly colored fish, or D, mushrooms. 19. Which type of cells can undergo photosynthesis? Is it A, plant cells, B, animal cells, C, bacterial cells, or D, fungal cells? And then last question for today. Number 20. The water cycle is driven by the blank. Is it A, sun, B, moon, C, clouds, or D, ocean? Okay, if you have any other questions, I hope you fully this Read Aloud version of today's quiz.